Hey guys, we're back with another episode. Today I'm here with a very special guest. This is Johnny Hunter, culinary director of the Underground Food Collective here in Madison, Wisconsin. Be sure to check him out.
So today we're going to be making a pho broth using an electronic pressure cooker. This one from Breville. It makes a quicker, uses less water, and has a clearer broth in the end. It's really nice. So for our broth, we have the beef plus the beef bones. We have onions, ginger, garlic, lime, and then we have our herbs, really important here, star anise, cinnamon, clove, and then we put a little bit of salt and sugar in it. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do here is develop some flavor in our ginger and garlic and onions. So what we're doing is we're gonna blacken the onion and the garlic in a pan, and that will develop a char. But for the ginger, we're gonna actually just put it straight on the flame and let that burn. Finish charring our vegetables, and we're gonna put this in the pressure cooker now. We got the onion, ginger, garlic, we got our lime, a little bit of star anise, cloves, cinnamon, and some beef bones, as well as the So the only important thing here is that we got a PSI of 12 and our timer set for 30 minutes. And we're gonna hit start, and then it's gonna pressurize and cook for 30 minutes, and then we're gonna let it release. All right, so we cooked the broth for about 30 minutes, and then we let it release, and it took about another 30 minutes or so on that. So look at that, we have a beautiful broth, really nice color. And so now we're gonna take it out and we're gonna strain it. I'm just straining some of the fat off the top so that we have a little bit of a cleaner broth to finish. Okay, so we put the stock back in, and we're gonna add the rice noodles and some beef to it so that they cook really quickly. It'll only take a minute.
So now we're ready to serve our pho.
And this is like one of my favorite winter dishes because it's such a warm and flavorful soup.
Yes. And when you serve it, I love to also put a lot of fresh garnishes at the table so each person can throw in what they like. Thanks guys so much for watching.
Yeah,
we hope you enjoyed the recipe, and we hope you give the recipe a try. And Johnny, thank you so much for joining us today.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Thanks guys, bye.